We are going to look now at the University of Saskatchewan's course catalog and program catalog. It's really well designed actually, and it breaks down everything by course, by college, or by program. Breaks down tuition fees, everything. So we're going to look at programs. And a really good one to look at is the engineering programs. So let's go to electrical engineering. Because it's really, really specific for engineering which classes that you have to take it in what order because they don't offer everything. So there was a common first year for all engineering students, and it basically tells you term 1, term 2, what you need to be taking. So it breaks it down really, really well for you. Now, if you go back, and then it, again, for specifically, this is electrical engineering. For electrical engineering, this is what you need to be taking in year 2, what you need to be taking in year 3, and then in year 4, bearing in mind if you don't do a co-op program. It also has like different focus areas that you can kind of focus on, and even your elective choices. What are some good elective choices to pick when you are an engineering student? This goes for all faculties. They have a list basically that outlines it here in the course catalog of what you need to be taking so that you can complete your program on time.